Good morning students, welcome to the Masters PU College video classes. I am Sudhakar Reddy, your chemistry lecturer. In this class, we will discuss about calculations involving in solutions. Before going to calculations involving in solutions, first of all, what is a solution? Solution is nothing but a homogeneous mixture. What is solution? It is a homogeneous mixture of two or more components. A homogeneous mixture of two or more components is called solution. Suppose if solution contains only two components, such type of solutions are called binary solutions. What are the best example for binary solution? Salt water is a best example for binary solution. Why salt water is a binary solution? In the salt water, we have one component is salt, another component is water. Similarly, sugar solution. What is the components in sugar solution? Sugar and water. So such type of solutions are called binary solutions. Binary solutions means contains only two components. Clear? So that's why such type of solutions are called binary solutions. Solution is mainly made up of with two components. Consist of two components, that is solute and solvent. Solute and solvent. What is a solute? Solute is nothing but component which is in less quantity in a solution. Component which is in less quantity in a solution is called solute. Say for example, 5 grams of sugar is dissolved in 100 grams of water. Here in 5 grams, 100 grams which is in least quantity, 5 grams of sugar is least quantity. So that's why 5 grams of sugar is called solute. Clear? So what is solute? Component which is in less quantity in a solution is called solute. What is solvent? Component which is in large quantity or which is in excess quantity is called solvent. In 5 grams of in a solution, 5 grams of sugar is present in 50 grams of water. Here 50 grams of water is considered as solvent. 50 grams of water is considered as solvent. Clear? Next, suppose if solute and solvent both are present in exact half of ratios, 50 grams of sugar is present in 50 grams of water, then how can we say it is? So in that situation, component which is dissolved in a given component, that is considered as solute. So that's why always sugar is considered as a solute in 50 grams of sugar is present in 50 grams of solution. Like that we have to consider. Similarly, what are aqueous solutions? Aqueous solutions means the solution in which water is a solvent. Water is a solvent. Such type of solutions are called aqueous solutions. What are alcoholic solutions? The solutions in which alcohol is a solvent. Alcohol is a solvent. Such type of solutions are called alcoholic solutions. Next, another point. The solution whose concentration already known. The solution whose concentration already known. Such type of solutions are called. Such type of solutions are called standard solutions. Standard solutions. What are standard solution? The solution whose concentration already known. Such type of solutions are called standard solution. What is concentration? Concentration means, say for example, you take 100 ml of water. In that 100 ml of water, some unknown amount of solute is present. How much amount of solute is present in a solution? That is called concentration. That is called concentration. What is concentration? How much amount of solute is present in a given solution is called concentration. So we have different methods to express concentration of solutions. In that, the important methods are, first one is mass percentage, W by W percentage, volume percentage, V by V percentage, mass volume percentage, W by V percentage, molarity, mole fraction and molality are the important concentration methods. What are the important concentration methods? What is the use of these methods? By using these methods, we can calculate how much amount of solute or how much amount of solvent is present in a given solution. So I repeat that methods. First one is mass percentage, second one is volume percentage, third one is mass volume percentage, fourth one is molarity, fifth one is mole fraction, and sixth one is molarity. So in this video we will discuss about first three concentration methods. First one is mass percentage, second one is volume percentage, and third one is mass volume percentage. Okay. First, mass percentage. Next, mass percentage. W by W. What is mass percentage? It is the amount of solute in grams present in 100 grams of solution is called mass percentage. What is mass percentage? I repeat, it is the amount of solute in grams present in 100 grams of solution is called mass percentage. Mass percentage mathematically expressed as mass percentage is equal to mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. Mass of solute by mass of solution into 100, we will get mass percentage. What is mass percentage? The amount of solute in grams present in 100 grams of solution is called mass percentage. What is the mathematical expression of mass percentage? Mass percentage is equal to mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. Next, volume percentage. What is volume percentage? The volume of solute in ml present in 100 volumes of solution. I repeat, the volume of solute in ml present in 100 volumes of solution is called volume percentage. Volume percentage mathematically is expressed as volume of solute divided by volume of solution into 100. Volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. So this is the mathematical formula to calculate volume percentage. Next, weight volume percentage. What is weight volume percentage? One is in weight, another one is in volume. So it is defined as the volume of solute, present in 100 grams of solution. One is volume, another one is weight. The volume of solute present in 100 grams of solution is called weight volume percentage. Mathematically, weight volume percentage is represented as volume of solute by volume of weight of solution, not volume of solution. Volume of solute by weight of solution into 100. This is the formula mathematically represented for weight volume percentage. Weight volume percentage. In the next class, we will discuss the related problems related to mass percentage, volume percentage, and weight volume percentage. Thank you.